Alright guys,
Hey.
we're doing team deathmatch, hardcore match. Put that pistol down. Alright, we're down to only pistols. Alan, so let me see. Pistols, you know, cause ours, you know, got damaged and they're out of ammo. Right now we're versing Pierce and Joey. Alright, you guys ready? Take cover first. Take cover. You're allowed to take cover. Alan, take cover. Right, hey, Alan, duck right here, duck right here. Ready!
Get
set! Go! Alright, come on, follow me. Alright, take cover here, take cover. Right there, just go. Pierce is coming over here. Alright, we're gonna rush Pierce, alright?
Yeah.
Go! Get Joey, go! Shit, I had to cut. What happened, Alan? I'm not seeing it. Hold the camera. Alright,
we're on live.
Record me. No, record! Shit, I'm out of bounds. Give me the camera, give me. You hold it. No, leave it.
Oh, shit, we're in bad position.
Cover me.
We don't have ammo. Use this one.
This one's already loaded. When I say shoot, we shoot. Right. Record, man.
Record!
Alright, damn it. Go. Thing almost got me. Cock it back one more time. Did you cock it? Ah! Got shot once. Right, get back. Retreat.
We're in a bad position right now. We're laying down in the trench. We're fine. Let me use that one.
No, it's one shot, one kill. I'm gonna use this, alright?
Sure.
Son. Dude, get sprint forward, alright? Right, get up. When I say sprint, we sprint. Ready? Set. I'm gonna sprint to my airsoft gun. Ready? Set. Go!
I'm back.
Grab the pistol. Give me the pistol. It's not ammo. Give me the... Alan,
I'm using this one. Recording.
Are you still recording?
We got this one.
We're still
Yeah.
We made him retreat. Nice. Point the camera up. All right, Ellen.
Pointing.
Ellen, here.
Look.
Take the pistol.
Put it in
Put it in your pocket.
Put it right there. That one's fine. This one's fine. I got it.
If you drop the pistol, you're dead. All right, ready?
Okay, me.
All right, I'm gonna cover you. Go!
Ready? Go!
Rough him. I cover you. Dude, fucking spit.
What?
I mean,
What happened?
dude, come on, man.
Sorry, man. It fell.
Just grab yours. Leave it.
Let me use this one.
No. I need to use my M4 round. Oh, almost got shot.
It's still there.
Dude, he got us pinned down. Grab your rifle. It doesn't
You got
have any
it.
ammo.
Shit, I know, but I'm trying to scare him.
I know, this
Put
one's
the
All right, cover me. Ready. Go, I'm gonna go over there. I come around here.
Running! Get out!
Run! Ah! I got Paris.
How many is that? Just one.
You hit my head. Hold on. You hit my head. Stop. Dude, I'm out. Am I bleeding?
Oh, wait, time out.
Am I bleeding?
No, wait, time out for me. Wait.
Are you bleeding?
Where do you got hit at?
Right here.
No, you didn't get hit.
Alright. Yes. Yes.
That's why I wear a hat.
Joey, you idiot. You hit my head.
Oh, wait. No, wait, Brian.
Well, you hit my head.
There. All right, hey,
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Record them, all right? Go like right there and record the whole thing. Right there.
You think I'm sliding? Alex, you going for retard. Didn't have any ammo.
I know. I'm trying to scare you guys. This one has ammo, but the front load
We're not recording. Guys, done recording.
is falling out.
I'm gonna stop recording. Hold on. Ready?
Ready!
Get set. Go.
Move up. Here, get back.
I have to go after this one. Brian, low battery. Low battery. I have to go after this one. Got it. Say cheese, Joey. Say cheese, Joey. Yeah, Paris. Oh, Paris looks frightened. Paris looks really scared.
Shut up.
Paris looks really scared. No, I'm kidding. Stop, dude. Really, I had to get shot in my head. What if I get a scar?
I have one.
You're down, Joey?
I have one left. Ah, come on. Hey, man, dude, we know that one life left. Guys, help me out. Cut him that one. Cut him.
Oh, Joey. Joey's got blood. Joey tries to refill. Uh-oh. Joey looks really scared.
Paris!
Wait, how many downs do you have to get?
2.
You already got,
Help me.
how many do you have?
I got hit once.
Paris, how many did you? I'm gonna stop recording.
No, dude, don't. Where are we going?
Hey, Paris.
We're on timeout, fellas.
Alright, we got it? We got it.
It's because that part got cut.
Alright, soldier number 1, soldier number 2, strongest soldier number 3. Joey tried the best. Paris tried his best. Do you look scared? Are you scared?
No, people on airsoft sighted. If you guys are scared of me, bring it.
Joey. Come on, Joey.
Get out of here. You started.
Come on, Joey.
Get out.
Ooh, Joey looks really scared.
Do you want me to shoot you?
No, stop. You aimed my head, dude. If I get a scar,
Well,
dude,
get out of my way.
If I get a scar, dude, you're gonna pay for it.
Paris.
Ooh, Paris looks really frightened. Joey looks really scared. Brian, I have to go. I have to go.
Dude, keep on recording.
Fine. I have.
Time out for me. You're still recording?
Mm-hmm.
You have to go? Alright, wait.
Let's stop recording.
No, keep on recording.
Dude, can I have your pistol?
No, you can't have my pistol.
Wait, did you want me to take it?
No, Alan.
I'm not going to.
I said no, though. Ready?
Oh, Brian looks really scared.
No, I'm gonna kick somebody.
No, you're not.
Yeah,
No, you're not.
those 2 pistols.
Whoa, this is cool. I want to see this.
No, leave it. You dirty there, Alan.
See this one? This one's Brian's pistol. He tries to act so cool all the time with
I'm
this
gonna
one.
shoot you with this one.
I'm sorry.
Give me that
Here
pistol.
you go, man. Chill your ass already. And we better not put this on Facebook or on YouTube or anything.
Okay.
Oh, we
Why
should put it
not?
on YouTube.
That's what I was saying. All right, you guys ready? Hey, Joey. Did he leave? Where did he?
He's hiding.
Go back to your spot.
Who?
Yeah. You gonna put that on your side?
What? Yeah, I'm gonna put on your stuff. You ready? I'm gonna go over here.
Dude, cancel that recording and put another one on.